In respiration. In respiration, amoeba takes place through cell membrane, that is also called plasma membrane, in which oxygen gas dissolved in the surrounding water enters into the amoeba by diffusion. How respiration is being done into amoeba? With the cell membrane, where oxygen gas are dissolved in the surrounding water into the amoeba by diffusion. After this comes the last is your reproduction. Amoeba reproduce by the process of asexual reproduction, that is called binary fission, in which cytoplasm divide into two daughter nuclei. The two daughter cells are formed that grow and split to produce more new cells. Amoeba also undergoes multiple fission in favorable unfavorable condition. Here a hard covering called cyst develops around the cell. The nucleus of the cells divides again and again, thus forming several nuclei which divide into several parts and each encloses with one nucleus. Under favorable condition, the cyst breaks open and reveals multiple number of daughter cells. You can see one amoeba, two nucleus, both nucleus divide into two cytoplasm, and over here we get two daughter cells. Now this was the kingdom Protista and the whole thing about the amoeba. This has been completed. Now we will be moving towards our third kingdom, fungi. Third kingdom, fungi. But in the next video, till please read about the whole kingdom, because it's very necessary you to understand, because amoeba is grouped under the kingdom Protista, but it is not be neither be classified as a plant or animal but nor fungus. Amoeba is called eukaryotic because it possesses a true nucleus, though technically not a true amoeba. The Naegleria fowleri, or the more commonly called the brain eating amoeba, is an amoeboid organism. This can be into the human body through the nose also, because primarily feeds on neurons, thereby destroying the brain tissue. Unsurprisingly, the fatality rate of this infection is high, about 97%. So student, I have completed. Now in next video we will be moving towards our kingdom fungi, then kingdom plantae, and the last is your kingdom animalia. So till please go through the videos and the notes which I am providing. Hear the videos once, twice and thrice. Go through the notes. If you had any problem, do ask me. I am ever over here to clear your each and every doubt and queries. After completing this chapter, I will be moving towards the question answer and each and everything that I will give you in my own written hand notes. Till this, thank you, students.